Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to another lecture. So we were done up to here. Now comes the crop plants. So many plants are grown on a large scale in vast fields since they are consumed in large amounts. So students, it's being said that there are many plants that are grown in a large quantity and in big fields, vast fields. Why they are so grown like that? Because we want their consumption to be more, because they are consumed in large amounts, in large quantities. So the plants that are grown in the fields, they are known as a crop plants, or we can simply say that crop. There are wide varieties of useful crops that are grown in India. Some are written here like rice, wheat and barley. Okay, they form the staple food on which mankind has built its civilization. Staple food means the native food, right? So these three crops that are written here, they form the staple food in which the mankind has built its civilization. Because if we see here in Bhadrawah, Doda, the rice, the wheat, their consumption is very much, right? So India produces about 150 million tons of rice. It's the amount of rice that India is producing, and wheat and other cereals every year to feed her more than 100 million population, so that India can feed its more than 1,000 million people. It is producing 150 million tons of rice, wheat and other cereals. Some examples of some important crops, they are written here like rice. It is a staple food of Kashmiri. It's grown in Kulgam, in Kathua. Now if we talk about Jammu, it's grown in RS Pura, in Kathua, Udhampur, Riyasi, and in Bhadrawah as well, in the Kishtwar. Now it's just being said about the quintals of rice that's been grown. And one more thing, students, in Kashmir Valley, the Kulgam district, that is referred to the rice bowl of Kashmir. Okay, you have to remember this thing, that which district is known, which tehsil is known as the rice bowl of Kashmir, that is the Kulgam tehsil. Okay, now it's the wheat. It is grown in Jammu region and it forms the staple food for the local people there. Okay, so it's been grown in Kathua, in RS Pura, in Samba, in Riyasi, and it's some of its centers as well. Okay, now comes this maize. It is cultivated in high elevation. Okay, we want some kind of height to grow it, and where it should receive a good rainfall. Okay, 75 to 125 centimeters rainfall. So the chief areas where it's grown, that is the Bhadrawah, Kishtwar, Punch, Rajouri. Okay, but it's not grown in the Ladakh region. Okay, now is the barley. Barley is grown in Doda, in Kishtwar. Okay, and okay, in Ladakh there is some different variety of barley, that is a barley but of some different variety, and that is known as a grim. Okay, just underline these points that I'm underlining. Now the jawar and bajra, they grown as a fodder for animals. Okay, they are used as a fodder for animals. So many cultivation, the cultivation is being done in Hiranagar, in Kanji, in Samba and in Kathua. Now it's the pulses grown in Kathua in Kashmir. Rajmash is grown in Kishtwar, Bhadrawah, Doda. Okay, the pulses. Rajmash is also one of the pulse. Okay, now the sugar cane, that's grown in Akhnur, in the RS Pura, in the Kathua, but it doesn't grow in either in Kashmir or Ladakh, as it requires very hot climate and it's not possible in Ladakh and Kashmir. And the oil seeds, the chief varieties of oil seeds that grow in our state, that is the mustard, linseed, the cotton seed, the rapeseed and the sesame. They are grown all over the Union Territory, chief areas being the Anantnag and Srinagar, where it's grown. Now, in addition to the crop plants, vegetables, fruits and flowers that are grown on a large scale. Okay, so cultivation of these plants come under the horticulture. Okay, we are done with this agriculture. Now it's the horticulture thing. Okay, so if we see, it is made up of two terms, that is hortus and cultura. Cultura, we know it's cultivation, and hortus means the garden. So it means the garden cultivation. That means the cultivation that we do in our gardens, near our houses, etc. So garden cultivation means it's garden cultivation, and some of the examples of these crops are given in the table. The vegetables, tomatoes, the brinjals, the ladyfingers, onions, garlic, ginger. Okay, then come the fruits. In the fruits, it's mango, grape, guava, apple, plum, banana. Now comes the decorative plants that we use for the decoration purpose, that are the bougainvillea, the croton, the cactus, then the flowers, rose, jasmine, marigold. So these are the garden cultivation. Okay, these are garden crops that we grow in our gardens. Okay, we don't grow them in a very large scale, in the vast fields, but in the gardens only. Okay, now it's Walter R. Lawrence has referred to Kashmir as a country of fruits and abundant saffron. Also, there was no other country with such great facilities for horticulture as indigenous apple, apricot. So this Walter Lawrence, he has said that Kashmir is a country of just fruits and abundant saffron, because it's these things grow in Kashmir in very large abundance. Okay, so it's in the apricot, plums can be grown without much difficulty in most parts of the valley. Now it's the no students, that's all for today. The video will get a big, okay. Jazakallah.